Well, hello. Welcome back to another Wednesday waterfall chasing. Well, today, that mission kind of failed because I'm going to show you a little bit later on the clip where the road ends. I think the fall is only 1.9 mile, which I can hike to it, but as you can see in the video, prevent me from doing that. So I'm going to try to salvage this trip, see what else I can get. All right, just follow along, see what we find. Well, this supposedly waterfall is supposed to be very close by to my previous video. I put a link down in the description box. It's a very short drive from Freeway 210, State 210. Actually, this drive reminds me of driving in Oregon, the first meetup, 021, in Alsea Fall in Oregon. Yeah, it's very green. This is very rare for California. Uh-oh, the road just got smaller. You can barely fit one vehicle through here. And this should just give me a sign that nothing good come out of this. Well, unfortunately, this is no public access. The fall is about 1.9 miles from here. And let me bring you closer. So supposedly the Wolfeskill fall is behind this. And look at all these signs. Yeah. Here you can see you need permit. And if you try to go in there, they're gonna cite it. So I'm gonna try to solve it, see what I can find around here. I can hear water running on my left over there. I'm gonna see if I can go down there. Find a trail, go down toward that. So from the sign that I saw along the way, this is called Sandema Flood Control Area. You can see where the water line is. So sometime when it's raining hard, the water will probably get up high there. But right now you can barely see any water running. There is a little damp control over there at that end. We're gonna go check that out. All right, come along. All right, this is where I guess they control the flow of this water when it's overflow a little bit, when it's raining hard. Right now there's hardly any water. So, I wonder if there's a little tiny waterfall on the other side of this thing. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is the official name of this thing, called Los Angeles Flood Control District, Sandima Reservoir. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can see any man-made waterfall on the other side of the dam. Alright, so I drove down, parked way up there. We're gonna see this trail lead to anything else. I can hear water running from the creek. So there's another trail here, all kind of trash, but I'm gonna take this one. Alright, let's come along. Alright, alright. There's no waterfall, but there's water running. And it smells pretty bad. Alright, this is my tiny waterfall for the week. Since I can't get to the real one, we're gonna settle for the tiny waterfall. That's a waterfall. Just a short one. Alright, let's go on. I'm gonna try to keep going down the road, see anything better than this.